So this boy ate for the past how many minutes now. I've been trying to bop him, and he's not coming through. And I'm saying, oh, he just boxed now. That was heavy, but oh, no, it's not what he's pulling me. I'm telling you to bop. You're busy pulling for me. I think get baby again another machine here. Eh? I'm so scared of lying him down because he has not. I've been bopping him. He's not belching. I've been a belt. I don't know what they call it. Lisa, better move now. I can't remember. I can azunga. The break can be sure need okay. Now you can sleep without choking.